गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। सो ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਮੇਰੇ YouTube ਚੈਨਲ ਜਪਜੀ ਇਨਫੋਟੈਕ ਤੇ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਕਲਾਸ 9 ਲੈਸਨ 4 ਮਾਈਕਰੋਸਾਫਟ ਐਕਸਲ ਪਾਰਟ 1 ਪਾਰਟ ਦੀ ਰਿਵੀਜ਼ਨ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਹਾਜ਼ਰ ਹੋਏ ਹਾਂ। ਸੋ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਟਰੂ ਫਾਲਸ ਮਲਟੀਪਲ ਚੋਇਸ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਫਿਲ-ਅਪਸ ਸ਼ਾਰਟ ਐਂਡ ਲੌਂਗ ਆਨਸਰ ਟਾਈਪ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ। ਸੋ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ ਟਰੂ ਔਰ ਫਾਲਸ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਸਟ ਵਨ ਹੈ ਜੀ, in an Excel window, the title bar display the content of the active cell, and the answer is false. And second question is, a spreadsheet grid is made up of rows and columns that intersect to form cells. True. And question number 3 is, when the data in a worksheet changes, the chart based on that data is automatically updated. True. Fourth one is, the formula bar is used only to edit formulas and cannot be used to edit any other type of data. False. So ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਪਾਰਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਲਟੀਪਲ ਚੋਇਸ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ ਜੀ। And the question number 5 is, which option help you see how a worksheet will look after it is printed? And the options are zoom control, page layout view, normal view, and the last one is formula bar. And the right answer is page layout view option help you see how a worksheet will look after it is printed. And the sixth question is, which option helps automatically create a sequence such as Jan, Feb, March? And the options are AutoSum, sort, fill handle, and the last one is data validation. And the right answer is fill handle option helps automatically create a sequence such as Jan, Feb, March. And the seventh question is, which option is used to move a selected group of data from one place to another? And the options are copy paste, cut paste, undo, and the last one is clear content. And the right answer is cut paste option is used to move a selected group of data from one place to another. And the eighth question is, what is the cell reference or address of the cell located in column C and row 5? And the options are 5C, 30C, 3E, and the last one is 5C. And the right answer is 5C is the cell reference or address of the cell located in column C and row 5. So ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਾਰਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਿਲਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਬਲੈਂਕਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਨੰਬਰ 9 ਹੈ ਜੀ, a rectangular group of adjacent cell is called a dash. And the right answer is a rectangular group of adjacent cell is called a range. And 10th question is, in a worksheet, column header use dash while row header use numbers. And the right answer is, in a worksheet, column header use letters or alphabet while row header use numbers. And 11th question is, a workbook is another name for an dash file. And the right answer is, a workbook is another name for an Excel workbook file. And 12th question is, when the text in a cell is too long to fit within the cell width, the dash option can be used to display the content on multiple lines within the same cell. And the right answer is, when the text in a cell is too long to fit within the cell width, the wrap text option can be used to display the content on multiple lines within the same cell. तो ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਪਾਰਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸ਼ਾਰਟ ਆਨਸਰ ਟਾਈਪ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਨੰਬਰ 13 ਹੈ ਜੀ, what is the role of the formula bar in a spreadsheet? And the answer is, the formula bar display the data or formula of the active cell. It allows us to view, enter, and edit data or formulas. If a cell contains long text, it can also be edited easily through the formula bar. It is very useful for accurate data entry. And the 14th question is, how do sheet tab help in managing worksheet within a workbook? And the answer is, sheet tab allows us to switch from one worksheet to another. We can add a new worksheet, rename a worksheet, move or copy a worksheet, and delete a worksheet when it is no longer needed. This makes managing a workbook easy and organized. And 15th question is, explain the purpose of the print area option before printing a worksheet. And the answer is, The print area option allows us to print only the required portion of a worksheet. It prevents unnecessary data from being printed, saving both paper and ink. It also makes the printed worksheet look neat and professional. And 16th question is, state two advantages of using the fill handle for data entry. And their answer is, the two advantages of using the fill handle for data entry are, the first one is it automatically fills sequential data such as Jan, Feb, March or 1 to 3. Second one is it saves time and reduces errors while entering data. And 17th question is, list the keyboard shortcut for the following. And the answer is, for cut we use the shortcut key Ctrl plus X. For copy we use Ctrl plus C. And to paste data we use Ctrl plus V. And to fill down the series we use Ctrl plus D. And to fill the series from left to right, then we use Ctrl plus R shortcut key. And the 18th question is, why is the number format of each cell important for the correct presentation of data? And the answer is, the number formatting display data in the correct format. It ensures that currency date, percentages, and decimal values are displayed properly. This makes the data easier to understand and prevent confusion or misinterpretation. ਸੋ ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਪਾਰਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੌਂਗ ਆਨਸਰ ਟਾਈਪ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ ਜੀ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ 19th ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈ ਜੀ, explain the formatting option like font, border, cell, color and alignment and describe how they help improve the readability of data and make a worksheet look professional. And the answer is, formatting option in Excel make data attractive, clear and easy to read. So the first one is font. Font allows us to change the size, color, style like bold, italic, underline and type of text. This helps highlight important information. Second one is border. Border create line around cells, making the data neat and well organized. Third one is cell colors. Cell color are used to distinguish different type of data. For example, heading can be highlighted using different colors. Fourth one is alignment. Alignment allows text to be placed on the left, right or center of a cell. Next one is wrap text. Wrap text displays long text on multiple lines within the same cell. Next one is merge and center. Merge and center combine multiple cells and center the heading. And the next one is proper formatting makes data easier to understand. It gives reports a professional appearance. It also saves the reader's time. Formatting helps reduce mistakes while reading data. Therefore, formatting is very important feature in Excel. And 20th question is, describe the different methods of entering and modifying data in an Excel worksheet. And the answer is, there are several ways to enter data in Excel. First, we can select any cell and type the data directly into it. Data and formulas can also be entered or edited using the formula bar. So existing data can be modified whenever required. Copy and paste are used to duplicate data. And cut and paste are used to move data from one place to another. And the fill handle automatically fills sequence such as number, dates and month. And the next one is find and replace. Find and replace help locate and replace specific word or numbers. And the next one is undo. Undo is used to correct mistakes. Redo is used to restore an action that has been undone. Data can also be removed using the delete key. Cells can be moved by using the drag and drop features. So these methods make data entry faster and easier. So they save time and improve the accuracy of work. So 21st question is, describe the main feature of spreadsheet applications. So the main feature of spreadsheet applications are, the first one is, spreadsheet applications are used to store, organize and analyze data. They arrange data in rows and columns. Each cell has a unique address. They use formulas and functions to perform calculations. Charts and graphs can be created to present data visually. Data can be arranged using sort and filter options. Formatting tools make data attractive and easy to read. A workbook can contain multiple worksheets. Features such as page setup and print preview help prepare worksheet for printing. AutoSum quickly perform additions. Data can be saved and reopened whenever needed. Worksheet can also be shared with others. Spreadsheet applications are very useful for creating reports. They save both time and effort. Therefore, spreadsheet applications are widely used in school, businesses, and offices. 22nd question is explain the relationship between the active cell, name box, and formula bar in an Excel window. And the answer is the first one is active cell. The active cell is the cell that is currently selected for working. It is highlighted with a tick border. Whenever we click on a cell, it becomes the active cell. Second one is name box. The name box displays the address of the active cell, such as A1, B5, or C10. We can also type a cell address in the name box to move directly to that cell. And third one is formula bar. The formula bar displays the content or formula of the active cell. We can enter or edit text, number, and formulas in the formula bar. If the active cell contains a formula, it is displayed in the formula bar. Whenever the active cell changes, both the name box and formula bar update automatically. These three components work together. They make data entry easier and more accurate. They help identify and edit cell content efficiently. They also make it easier to work with large worksheets. Therefore, the active cell, name box, and formula bar are essential part of Excel. And 23rd question is explain the role of alignment in cell formatting. Describe the different alignment options available in Excel. And the answer is alignment refers to the positioning of text or numbers within a cell. Proper alignment makes data neat, attractive, and easy to read. So Excel provides three main horizontal alignment options: left, center, and right. The vertical alignment options are top, middle, and bottom. Wrap text display long text on multiple lines within the same cell. Merge and center option combine multiple cells and center the content. Orientation allows text to be rotated at different angles. Indent move text inward from the cell border. Shrink to fit reduces the text size so that it fits inside the cell. These options help organize data effectively. They make tables and reports look professional. Important information becomes easier to notice. Proper alignment also reduces the time needed to read data. Therefore, alignment is an important formatting feature that improves both the appearance and presentation of data in Excel. So दोस्तों, मैंने उम्मीद है तुम इस पार्ट के सारे प्रश्न उत्तर नोट कर लिए होंगे। धन्यवाद।